How to quickly create an 8-hole rimless frame accurately. This is an M-bar 1.60 photochromic lens. Same as previous orders, rimless frames prioritize aesthetics, so templates are usually smaller. Many customers have larger heads now. After placing the template, what's the solution? We need to enlarge the lens. But how? Do you know? Anti-slip tape is applied. Protect photochromic coating carefully. And attach silicone pads on the back. Skipping this risks coating cracks, especially after grinding photochromic lenses. Align crosshairs on the cutting board to check horizontal alignment. Next step, drill positioning holes. Now the other lens. When processing regular lenses, if the template sticks, use lens protection film. It prevents cutting lines from being damaged and peels off easily. Watch closely, peel it off gently. After removal, discard the film. Template remains reusable. Drilling complete. Compare both lenses stacked. Perfectly parallel. Place on adjustment panel. Align with crosshair center. Verify lens parallelism. Good. Next, alignment check. Now, compare with original template. Current version is 2 sizes larger. Full perimeter expanded. Start assembly now. Many think drilling's the hard part, but assembly, it's actually easier. With precise drilling, good holes simplify assembly. Align screw tips with gasket centers. They snap in smoothly. Apply gentle pressure. If assembly feels stiff, check hole alignment or size accuracy. Minor adjustments help, but over-tightening can snap screws. Assembly requires finesse. Precise drilling eases assembly. Cross-align components. Center the rivets manually. With proper technique, push them in by hand. Light plier pressure finalizes the fit. For extra security, add adhesive. See? Works perfectly. It's snug enough. No glue needed. Holes match precisely, and grommets expand. For secure fit, no damage during installation. Perfect center alignment. Yes. Thumb pressure sets it deeper. Strong hands help, but pliers work too. Press with pliers. Properly secured. Needs minimal adjustments. There we go. Pre-bent parts. Ease installation. Simplifies assembly. All set. Done. Frame fully assembled. Just minor tweaks needed. Quick process, accurate drilling, saves time. Besides, edging takes mere minutes. Post-assembly measurement shows slight variance, but acceptable for retail. Standard tolerance for eyewear shops. It fully meets the current standards. Absolutely impressive. The circuit board has extensive applications. Take a look. Right?